Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make scrolling credits on CapCut. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To accomplish this task, start by launching your CapCut app. Next, choose New Project and go for either a video or ideally a single photo from the photo section. Once you've made your selection, tap Add. Ensure your credits list is copied and ready to be pasted into the text. Then highlight the chosen picture and adjust its opacity. Utilize the return tool, followed by the text tool to add text. Paste the copied credits into the text box and confirm by tapping the check mark. Extend the duration of the text to around 10 seconds, adjusting as needed based on the number of credits for optimal scrolling effects. Align the text to the middle or your preferred position. Then, shape it to the bottom. Create a keyframe by tapping the designated button. Move to the end of the text. Add another keyframe and finalize by tapping the export button located at the top right. This completes the process of creating scrolling credits on CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.